Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing really well. So since Sunday evening, there has been another meme stock that has returned to the forefront for those looking for a quick buck, or dare I say it, the next GameStop monster rally. That being Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker symbol BBBY or triple BY. Unlike many of the short pop and fizzle meme stocks we have seen come and go, and come again in recent times, all dreaming of the meteoric rise and galvanised coordination that GameStop experienced last year on the back of its big short squeeze, Bed Bath & Beyond may be a real contender to take the crown in these stakes. And with markets taking a battering due to the Russia-Ukraine crisis, as well as the pre-existing poor macro conditions, are we about to see the next GameStop-style rise from the ashes of the current market chaos? So, like I already said, the most recent excitement behind the stock kicked off on Sunday when it was reported that current GameStop CEO Ryan Cohen via RC Ventures had taken a 10% stake in the company, and he had announced he had written to triple BY board with recommendations on how to turn around the company. Cohen's interest in the company was enough to bring in a swath of his fans to push the stock to open Monday's regular session a whopping 70% up as it crossed into the $30 territory, albeit temporarily seeing the highest price the stock had achieved since its original meme stock push last January. The stock did settle down in the session, still finishing an impressive 36% up. And the stock continued to rally during Tuesday's trade, closing a further 5% up at $22.86 per share. Tuesday's aftermarket session has already so far lent support to the fact that there may still be some way to run in the current rally. Aside from the potential galvanized support that Cohen's investment and legions of followers can potentially bring Bed Bath & Beyond stock, there is some decent firepower coming from under the hood of the stock in terms of the shorts. Currently, 25.87% of the stock's float is held in short positions. That is whopping. However, due to the 6.82 days to cover, there is still a relatively low borrow fee of 1.82%, which at least temporarily is not putting a lot of pressure on shorts to cover. But that being said, I think Bed Bath & Beyond could be a ticking time bomb for holders of short positions if momentum can be maintained in the stock for at least the next 6 days, as this will bring down that days to cover figure quite dramatically. If we look at this daily chart, we can see how much of a rut Monday and Tuesday's rally has pulled the stock out of. This means that short positions taken out as long ago as September last year are potentially under pressure, as indicated by this red box. It has been over this 6-month period that the shorts figures have been slowly mounting. It is important that the stock maintain high positive volume and not drop off too much more. I think a key lower level to watch for is the $20 mark, because not only does this represent a psychological hurdle for the stock to stay above, it also represents the last significant peak the stock experienced back in late 2021, hence forming the bowl that has caught out all of the short sellers at the moment. Anyway, it makes for a fascinating situation. While it is always easy to deride a short squeeze play, I do think there is merit of greater significance occurring with this current Bed Bath & Beyond play, so long as the momentum can be maintained. This is just looking at the elements driving the short squeeze play and without acknowledging the turnaround the company is supposedly executing on already at the moment. While what I'm about to refer to is from 6 years ago, and I have not looked into any subsequent equity raisings or stock splits that may have occurred since then, but Bed Bath & Beyond stock has spent a decent part of its pre-pandemic trading history above the $70 mark. So that gives me some thought that this play may still have quite a bit of runway to go. So you've got to keep an eye on it. Well, that's about it for this one. How do you guys feel about Bed Bath & Beyond rally at the moment? Is it set to be the next big meme stock rally? Will it be the closest to replicating a GameStop like short squeeze that we have seen? Let me know your thoughts around the stock in the comments below. Till next time everyone, may the markets trade in your favour. Cheers.